This is the Merrill Y4 countersunk head plug for the Y1 and Y2 series hydrants. Now a couple things to notice about that is on this flat side here, so this side is flat, and then it comes down to those external male threads, and then down almost to that star bit there. So we'll go ahead and get a couple measurements, starting with a total length. Measures just over 1/2 inch. With an outer diameter. So outer diameter will measure kind of from the lip of the threads. It'll measure right just above 3/4 of an inch. And this does have the thread count of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's got 6 threads. Yeah, once again, this is the Merrill Y4 countersunk head plug.